Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to Nature Full of Benefits YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss numerous health benefits of peaches. Let's start it. Nutrients rich. Peaches are contain essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium and fiber. One large peach contains 68 calories, 2 gram fiber, 1.3 gram protein. Weight management. Peaches are low in calories and high in fiber. Due to this quality, peaches balance the weight. Skin health. The antioxidant in peaches help fight free radicals, promoting healthy skin. They also contain natural alpha hydroxy acids, which can help to exfoliate and brighten your skin. It also helps to remove dark circles and blemishes. Its macronutrients helps in removing wrinkles. Peach is a common ingredient in anti-aging face mask. It tightens the skin pores and does wonders for a tired. Immune support. Vitamin C in peaches boosts immune functions and protects against common illness. Eye health. Peaches contain beta-carotene and antioxidants that support eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Digestive health. The fiber content in peaches promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Heart health. The potassium content in peaches helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels and cardiovascular function. Due to this element, the heart remains strong. Anti-inflammatory properties. Peaches contain quercetin, which help anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce allergies such as congestion, itching and swelling. Peaches for healthy hair. They contain biotin, are nutrients essential for maintaining strong and healthy hair and support healthy hair growth. Peaches for diabetes. Peaches have the property of balancing blood sugar level. Peaches are low in glycemic index, meaning they do not cause a sudden spike in blood sugar level. Peach prevent cancer. Peaches are high in antioxidants, particularly chlorogenic acid, which help prevent of cancer cells in the body. Peach detoxifies body system. Peaches are rich in vitamin A, C and E and selenium. All of these essentials act as antioxidant detoxification in the body. If you liked today's video, please like and share. If you want informational videos about nature, then subscribe to Nature Full of Benefits YouTube channel.